Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a StabiliGrip floor for Ford Transit cargo vans. Let's get into it. All right, this is a StabiliGrip, a rigid style floor for Ford Transit vans. The one shown here happens to be for a 148-inch regular wheelbase. So that 148-inch wheelbase comes in two body lengths. You're gonna have the regular body length, like the one behind me, or they're gonna have the extended wheelbase that gives you a little bit more rear overhang behind that rear axle. This is gonna be for that shorter version of the 148. But they do make it for all the different sizes. You just wanna make sure that you get the right one when you're ordering it, because that makes a big difference on the overall length of the van. So first things first, you can just see how large this box is. It's like a 6 foot by 6 foot box. Huge, it's 140 pounds. So this is gonna be shipping on a pallet to you via an LTL freight carrier. So just be aware of that. That does take a little bit longer to get to you, and the shipping cost can be a little bit more than your traditional UPS package. Now, because it's 140 pounds, I went ahead and brought it up on the workbench piece by piece. And so when you buy this online, this is going to be a multi-piece floor for the 148-inch regular wheelbase. It's going to be a 3-piece floor. So we have, I believe this is like a middle piece right here. And then I've got the forward piece and then the rearward piece underneath that. So StabiliGrip floor it's called StabiliGrip because it's stable. It talks a lot about the features of the product. It's a rigid floor, so it doesn't flex with like the ribbing in the floor and things like that. It's almost like a hard piece of wood, but it's also a composite material, which means it's not going to rot or mold or mildew or soak up water or anything like that. So it's really good from that perspective. It's also thermally stable, so it's not going to expand and contract with temperature changes and humidity and all that kinds of things that can happen with some of those other floors that are available. So it's just a really great product. This is about a 1/2 inch thick. I think it's actually like 0.4 inches thick, and I can take a measurement for you right here real quick if you're really curious. This is coming in at, on mine, it is at 7/16 of an inch, so it's right below that 1/2 inch of thickness. Now this is 3 pieces, and the cool thing that Legend does with their multi-piece floors is you can kind of see it's shaved here a little bit on the edge where it's going to butt up against another piece. Same thing on this side. And what they do is they send you these joiner strips, aluminum strips like this, and these slide right onto these locations. And the way that this is cut and then the dimensions of your joiner strip is you actually get a nice flush surface as you transition from one piece to the next piece. So there's not like a little bump or anything like that you have to get over. That's kind of important if you have carts or just tripping hazards and stuff like that. So really cool the way that they've been able to design this to work together to give you that seamless floor without giving you this massive thing to try to ship and install in the van. Now, included hardware here is not too much. Obviously, we have our parts list right here, which shows you everything that should be in the box. There's gonna be 3 pieces of the StabiliGrip floor, 2 joiner strips, some glue, which we have right here, which is used for attaching the floor to the joiner strips. And then you're gonna get these Ford foam spacers. I'm not 100% sure how these are used yet. We're gonna be installing this in the van behind me, so be sure to check that out if you wanna see how these are used on the van. So everything that you need right here, there's no drilling into the floor or taking out bolts or anything like that. The way that the Ford Transit is designed is their cargo rings are actually attached to the pillars on the side of the van and not directly to the floor. That makes it easier. You don't have to remove D-rings or anything like that. Sometimes those can get stuck depending on the age of your van and all of that. So super simple to install this. Now you can see in these pieces here, this is a precision cut floor. It's going to fit directly within the contours of the van. Now there are some options that you can get the Ford Transit that are gonna alter the cut of the floor. Number one, depending on the length of your van, you can get a dual rear wheel van. So that's really gonna be with those 148-inch extended vans or that Transit 350 HD, where you can get the dually rear wheels. Those wheels those wheel wells actually sit in a little bit further, so they have to cut the floor differently for that. Another thing is if you're going to get the van with dual sliding doors, and because of that, you have 2 inset steps. So again, you're gonna have a different cut towards the front of that floor. There are some other weird variances. Sometimes you can get a piece of trim around the door there that kind of sticks out, that the floor won't fit. If you have that, that's really rare, but there is a different cut for that. Another variation of those Ford Transit vans is going to be a cargo van versus a crew van. So a cargo van is your traditional cargo van. It's like the one behind me, where basically behind the driver's seat, it's all open cargo area. They make a crew van, which is almost like a crew cab truck, where you get another row of seating behind the driver's seat. So you would open the sliding door and there'd be a row of seats there, almost like your minivan. And then behind those seats is all open cargo. So that's the difference between a crew van and a cargo van. If you get the crew van, it's just gonna be the flooring behind that crew bench seat, because there is gonna be OEM flooring for the crew area of the van right there in the middle, and you're just gonna be ordering a floor basically for the cargo area of the van. So that's another thing that you need to take into consideration when ordering the floor. Another option you're gonna be presented with when ordering this floor is you want to order a set of door sills. And what this basically does is it makes a transition at the doorway, so you're not gonna be chipping the sides of the floor when you're loading things or you're walking into the van. It's gonna be a sill that covers over that. And the Ford Transit, there's actually a lot of different options. We have a video of unboxing the particular threshold door sill that we got for this kit. We went with the steel version with the full lower step. So on our side door on that Transit right there, we have that inset step, and you can get a sill that just kind of covers the edge, or you can have it that covers the full surface of that step. Check out that video if you need a little bit more information on which threshold and sill set will be right for you. Again, you can get it in steel, you can get it in aluminum, and then you can get it in black or yellow if you go with that steel option, as well as if you want the full inset step or not. Again, if you check out that video, it might make a little bit more sense. Now, this StabiliGrip floor does have a nice fine texture grip to it, which means you're not gonna slip and fall if you've got wet boots and things like that. But it's also like not too grippy, so you can still load your skids, your pallets, and all of that on the floor if you need to. And it's not gonna prevent it from being able to pull those off with a forklift. But it also does give you that fine grip, so you're not gonna be slipping around with wet boots or anything like that. This is gonna protect the floor. It's gonna give you a safe walking surface inside the van. And it's really gonna be the top of the line floor that you can get for these Ford Transit vans. Now, if you're looking for the StabiliGrip floor for your cargo van or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.